Hey, party people. I'm so excited to share my latest project with y'all. So, many of you know I've been working on a book, and this is not about this book because I was invited to this incredible opportunity and I had to snatch it before someone else took my slot. Long story short, many of you over the years have asked me about my YouTube journey and about my business journey and how I've built my business around my channel and the motivations behind my business. And I get these questions a lot when I do podcast interviews and stuff like that. And so when Patricia on these Zoom things, I don't know, I think she's going to be on this side. Patricia asked me if I wanted to participate and write a chapter in a book all about entrepreneurship. The book is called Uncommon Results. And when she invited me to write a chapter, I grabbed it by the horns and I wrote my chapter. And I want to introduce to you the woman who is spearheading this whole thing with incredible chapters written by so many incredible entrepreneurs. This is Patricia Wooster.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah, please tell my YouTube audience a little bit more about yourself and your many books and your incredible business.
Yeah, so I am a traditionally published author. I traditionally published about 13 books and started getting approached by a lot of entrepreneurs and leaders and actually athletes too, who wanted to write and publish books. And so I started coaching and opened up my business, which is Wooster Media. And then through that journey, I had all these entrepreneurs that had all these amazing tidbits to share with people. And so I had this idea to kind of start this kind of like a mastermind in a book. So we had a co-author book that came out in October for women. And the response to it was so amazing that we had all these men coming to us too and saying, okay, when are you going to do something for us? And that's when we decided to do another one, Lindsay Ardmore and I, and it's called Uncommon Results. And so the idea behind it is not just to have somebody write like an essay. It was more for them to give really tactical advice, kind of that behind the scenes look that the rest of us wish we would have had when we were starting our businesses, and talk about some of the things that have helped with our success, but then other things that, were challenges and stuff that we had to deal with in order to kind of help the next generation of entrepreneurs. So that was the idea behind the book. And not every person has the time or inclination to write an entire book. And so this was a great way to bring together a lot of people with a lot of expertise and put them into one place, let them collaborate and create something of value for the reader. So that's kind of what this book is about, and that's what the intent behind it is.
I think that you will all have so much to learn from the different ideas and tips and advice that are given in the chapters from all of these entrepreneurs writing chapters. And I'm definitely reading all of them.
Yeah, it was incredible. So I ghost wrote some of the chapters for people, and then I've been through every person's chapter. And first of all, I've already hired like 3 of the people to help me with different pieces of my business just based on their chapter's content, but also came up with new ideas. And these are from people with totally different industries from mine. But a lot of the principles are the same when it comes to like finances and accounting and systems and processes and websites and YouTube and social media and sales. Like we all have to do those things, whether we're a product or service-based business, no matter what it is. And there is no manual. Like when I went to college, they didn't talk about entrepreneurship at all. And, we even had one of the participants, who's my brother-in-law, say he's an accidental entrepreneur. Like he didn't even really identify as that because he didn't set out to be in business for himself necessarily. And we found that happened over and over again is most of these people started in corporate or started somewhere else. And because they weren't finding out there the things that people needed or that they needed, they just went out and started it. So they had to duct tape everything together to figure out like what they were doing as far as the business part of it. And so that's what I have found helpful. I get new tips every time, I read through people's chapters because it's based on what I need in my business right now. And so I don't really think it matters what industry you're in. But we also have people covering all kinds of industries. I mean, it's a really incredible mix of people.
Pre-orders are happening now. I'm going to drop links to everything in the description box below. So you can get this book on iBooks. You can get this book on Amazon. Pre-orders are happening right this second. This video is going up February 22nd. So go to the link of your choice to pre-order the book. And as an incentive for pre-ordering, I and a bunch of the other authors are including little bonus freebies, discounts, special offers. I have a discount code in the bonus package for my store, and it's going to have a special discount code specific for this project. So when you pre-order, you're going to get access to these bonuses. These bonuses are not for people who order later, okay? You got to get early. This book is really well priced, all right? So just go pre-order.
Well, getting back to the bonuses, I mean, the pre-order price is 99 cents, and so the requirement we had for the bonuses is they had to have a monetary value, not like cheap lead magnet crap. This stuff all has value. So like I gave a book outlining course that I charge money for. Everything had to be something that people charge money for. So, for 99 cents, you get all these tools, whether you need them now or you need them later. You're going to have we have 18 participants. You're going to have 18 or very close to it, that number of bonuses for 99 cents. We had social media templates. We had, accounting things. We had a lot of digital courses. We had all kinds of stuff last time that was truly amazing. And like I said, none of it is, it's not junk. So take advantage of the pre-order season, learn from all of these amazing people. And also keep in mind, the money is going for a good cause. All the money, proceeds from the book, are going to St. Jude's as well. So you're donating to a great cause at the exact same time.
So great cause, very low pre-order price, bonuses that aren't a bunch of plastic pens with someone's logo on them like you would get at a conference or something like that. Like actual legit offers. So go click on the link in the description box and do yourself a favor for your future.
Absolutely.
And you know what I say on this channel ad nauseum, 2 things I want you to think about, okay? Number 1, perfectionism is stupid. And this is also something I address in my chapter is you need to do some research and then do the thing. Okay, just don't sit around on your laurels talking and thinking about when you get your ducks in a row. This book is your call to action. Like, get the book, read the book, apply the book, okay? Don't think about how everything has to be perfect and set in place for you to get started. Do the thing. And then the second thing I talk about on this channel a ton is if your first one sucks, you're right on track. What does that mean? That means if you have a first one, it means that you did a thing. Okay, so many people sit around and talk about how they're going to do this and how they're going to do that, but they don't actually ever do the thing. So if your first one sucks, you're still miles ahead of everyone else because you actually did the thing and you learned all the mistakes from your first tryout. So perfectionism is stupid. If your first one sucks, you're right on track. Get the book, use the book, have fun with the bonuses. Boom, for 99 cents.
99 cents.
If you love me, you're going to watch this video, you're going to like this video, you're going to share this video with any of the entrepreneurs in your life that need a helping hand. And would you like to add anything else, Patricia?
No, just take advantage of the offer while it's available. Take advantage of the pre-order, take advantage of the bonuses, and donate to a great cause.
Awesome. I'll see you in the next video.